Imagine discovering that everything we believe about reality might be wrong. Not slightly wrong, completely wrong. These aren't random claims from the internet. These are the words of Adam Rees, a Nobel Prize-winning physicist who has spent his life measuring the expansion of the universe. And according to his latest data, something doesn't make sense. For decades, scientists relied on a powerful idea called the Standard Model of Cosmology, a framework that explains how the universe was born, how it evolved, and how it continues to expand today. It worked so well that most scientists believed we had finally understood the big picture. But then, everything changed when the James Webb Space Telescope began looking deeper into space than ever before. Instead of confirming our understanding, it revealed something strange, something that shouldn't exist. The problem begins with a number called the Hubble constant, which tells us how fast the universe is expanding right now. There are two ways to measure it. One looks at the early universe, using data from missions like Planck's satellite, analyzing ancient radiation left behind shortly after the Big Bang. That method gives a clean, precise answer, about 67. But the second method looks at the present, measuring distances to stars and exploding supernovae in nearby galaxies. That's the method used by Rees and his team, and their answer is very different, about 73. At first, that difference might not sound important, but in cosmology, this gap is enormous. It means the universe could be younger, expanding faster, and behaving in ways our best theories can't explain. Scientists assumed it was just a measurement error. Maybe the instruments were wrong. Maybe the data was flawed. So they turned to the most powerful telescope ever built, the James Webb Space Telescope, expecting it to fix the problem. But it didn't. It made it worse. Webb confirmed the higher value again and again. The error wasn't in the measurement. The error might be in our understanding of reality itself. Some physicists now call this the Hubble tension, but others, including Nobel laureates, have started calling it something else, a crisis. Because if both measurements are correct, then something fundamental is missing from our model of the universe. And that's not the only problem Webb has uncovered. When it looked back in time, billions of years into the past, it found massive galaxies forming far earlier than they should have. According to current theory, these galaxies shouldn't exist yet. There simply hasn't been enough time for them to form. And yet, there they are, fully formed, massive, ancient. It's like finding a fully grown city where only empty land should exist. Some scientists believe this could point to unknown physics, something we haven't discovered yet, like a new form of energy or an unknown force that shaped the early universe. Others argue that maybe our assumptions about dark matter or dark energy are incomplete, because right now we don't truly understand either of them. Together, they make up about 95% of the universe, and we still don't know what they are. Think about that. Everything we see, stars, planets, galaxies, even us, is just a tiny fraction of reality. The rest is still a mystery. And now, the most advanced telescope ever built is showing us that our best explanations might not be enough. But this isn't the first time science has faced a crisis like this. In the past, these moments didn't destroy our understanding, they transformed it. They led to discoveries that changed everything. And that's what makes this moment so powerful. We are not at the end of knowledge, we are at the edge of it, standing at a point where the universe is starting to reveal that it's stranger than we ever imagined. So maybe the universe isn't broken, maybe our map of it is incomplete, and maybe what James Webb Space Telescope is showing us right now is just the beginning of something far bigger than we understand.